to fix login error in FuboTV. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and click on your Wi-Fi or mobile data to turn it on and to connect to a secure network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet connection issues. However, about the logins, you can simply go to your browser and on the search bar, you want to type in Fubo over here. Tap on search and simply click on the first website that you see. After clicking on the website, you'll see a login page which will look something like this. Here you want to type in your email and password and simply click on sign in to log in into your account. This is how you log in through a website. But if you are facing issues on the application, you can simply uninstall the app and install it again. However, if that doesn't solve the problem, you can simply restart your device and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further issues, make sure to leave a comment down below.